There are many beautiful things to experience in life, and among the best are relationships. Specifically, if your partner really loves you, let's dig deeper and look at 32 different facts about women when they fall in love. Women feel more at ease with men who make an effort to get to know them before making romantic advances. Since girls are constantly self-conscious, they are more inclined to fall in love with someone who makes them feel at ease. If a girl constantly makes excuses for not hanging out, it means she is no longer interested in the relationship. When a woman desires a man deeply, she will let him show his bold and assertive personality. A stranger approaching a woman unprompted will likely creep her out if she doesn't find him attractive. Regularly telling a girl you love her boosts her confidence and makes her feel lovely. You can win a girl's heart by making her feel cherished. Girls love to be flattered. Younger girls tend to be less mature than women and typically lack the ability to regulate their emotions. If a girl says, "I miss you," she likely means it because she is high on a love drug. Girls love to have fun and laugh, so they are attracted to honest boys with a strong sense of humor. If a girl loves a boy and he stares deeply into her eyes, it will make her knees weak. An ex-boyfriend or ex-lover will usually always be on a girl's mind. If you want a girl's heart, be the better option than her ex-lover. She will feel cherished with a quick text or call during the day. Girls enjoy receiving attention, so pay attention to her frequently to deepen her affection. When two individuals are in love, they take an interest in each other's activities. A woman will love you more if you show an interest in her likes and dislikes. Some girls fancy looks, others care about brains, but all girls care about someone who loves and cares for them unconditionally. If a girl in love tells you she was talking about you to her friends but won't give details, it was something really good. If your girl suddenly becomes silent and cold, it's time to move on. It means the fire is gone. Girls in love always want to have conversations and show interest in what you have to say. If a girl truly loves you, she will hug, kiss, cuddle, and joke with you. Girls adore independent, powerful, and self-sufficient men who can support them. A girl will love and think highly of you if you sometimes lavish her with presents, within reason. Girls look for confident guys because they need someone to build their confidence. If a girl has to build up your confidence, she will not trust you to protect her. If a girl finds you attractive or is in love with you, she will speak in a high-pitched voice, while men tend to lower their voices when attracted. Girls adore compliments about their lips and smiles. Even if they turn their heads away, they silently enjoy it. If a girl loves you but you don't love her back, she will feel physically and emotionally drained. A girl will appreciate you more if you listen to her advice and actually use it. It makes her feel important. Showing a girl that you are happy to have her by your side will make her love you more. She will fall head over heels for you if you hold her hand in public and show her affection while other gorgeous girls are around. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share it with someone who might find it interesting, and stay tuned for more. See you in the next one.